Imagine, you're at the lowest point of your life, stripped of hope, drowning in despair, and every attempt to climb out only seems to pull you deeper. Now, what if I told you that this exact moment, this so-called rock bottom, could be the start of your most incredible transformation? But first, let me ask, are you willing to fight for a future even when you can't see it yet? Let's begin with a story, one of true struggle. Meet Alex. Alex was, by all accounts, a driven, hard-working individual. Life seemed to be going in the right direction. But then, one event after another, everything started to unravel. Financial collapse, relationship failures, the loss of his home. His entire life, which once seemed so steady, was reduced to ashes. Rock bottom, they say, is when you finally confront your worst fears. And Alex? He faced them all. Yet, here's the kicker. Rock bottom doesn't come with a manual. There's no guide, no map showing the way out. It's just you and your will. And no, it's not like you can Google how to escape rock bottom in 5 easy steps. Now, here's where things take a turn. One night, as Alex sat in the silence, he asked himself a question that changed everything. Is this who I want to be? Or is this just where I am? And at that moment, something shifted inside him. For the first time, he realized rock bottom wasn't the end. It was the beginning of his comeback. Think of it this way. A rubber ball doesn't bounce until it hits the ground, right? Sometimes, that impact, that force, is what sends us higher than before. And hey, if a rubber ball can do it, so can you. From that moment on, Alex set small goals, ridiculously small at first. Just getting out of bed, making a plan for the day, showing up. Day by day, he started gaining ground. But here's the catch. Climbing out of rock bottom isn't like climbing a ladder. It's more like a roller coaster. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. But here's the key. Every setback taught him something. Every failure sharpened his resolve. And just when it seemed like things were on track, guess what happened? Another blow, another test of his resilience. But instead of giving up, Alex leaned in. He understood, finally, that resilience isn't just about getting back up. It's about embracing the struggle as part of the journey. Then came the breakthrough. Years of sweat, tears, and relentless persistence led Alex to success beyond anything he imagined. He built back his finances, found purpose in helping others, and turned his pain into power. From rock bottom to heights he never thought possible. But here's the real lesson. Rock bottom isn't a curse. It's a catalyst. It's the pressure that forges the strongest steel. So, the next time life feels like it's crumbling, remember, maybe you're not falling apart. Maybe, just maybe, you're being broken open to reach something even greater. Because honestly, if you were at rock bottom, wouldn't you want to prove to yourself how high you could climb? Take a moment. Think about where you are now, and ask yourself,